God, I was weak, I couldn't control me. I was scared of loving you, but what's the point?
Hello world, we are flying to Stuttgart. We are here with Pippa. I'm gonna link her down below. She's a cool Instagrammer, so stay with us and see what Stuttgart has to offer.
Passengers at flight 3965 to Stuttgart to
automatisch darauf zu warten, aus der Kabinendecke. Um diese zu aktivieren, ziehen Sie eine der Waffengurte zu sich heran und drücken Sie diese feste von der Nase aus. Wenn Sie ganz normal weiter, dann halten Sie Ihren Sitzplan.
Hi guys, so quick review of Aerowings. It was a fast check-in, fast boarding. We had a pleasant flight, and for a $100 ticket you also get this beautiful puking bag. We are now landing in Stuttgart and we're going to show you a little bit of city, so stay with us, get to know it.
God, I was weak, I couldn't control me. I was scared of loving you, but what's the point of living, kissing, taking what is given? I was scared of loving, but now I'm here. Can't stop feeling.
Welcome to Stuttgart. We are here in beautiful Königstraße and Pippa is going to take us around and show us the best spots in the city. Hello! Not sure if I mentioned this, but we're only here for one afternoon, so we have to wrap up and quickly see everything what downtown has to offer. So if you ever have a layover in Stuttgart Airport, you also know what to do.
Feeling, can't stop hiding. I'm the only drama queen for you. Can't stop feeling, can't stop hiding.
That's it guys, we're done with Stuttgart, we're taking the train and we're going to Strasbourg, and you'll have to see us from there next week, so stay tuned, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Bye!